Hey guys, this is Derek from moderncastle.com. Today I'll be doing a new vacuum review. We'll be taking a look at one of the newest vacuums to join Dyson's lineup, the Dyson V11 torque drive. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's take a look at the design. The handle includes the motor, cyclones, dustbin, battery, and the trigger. The V11 uses a rigid wand, which you can use as a stick vacuum or as an extension for handheld use. The V11 includes Dyson's advanced torque drive cleaning head, which can be used on hard surfaces in addition to both low and high pile carpets. The dustbin has a release latch near the handle. To empty the dustbin, you point the bin down towards your trash can and then pull the handle down. This action forces dirt and debris out of the canister. The Dyson V11 is 50.6 inches long, has a 9.8 inch wide cleaning head, and a body height of 10.3 inches. Additionally, the V11 weighs 6.68 pounds. The Dyson V11 comes with a number of accessories, including the charger, the mini motorized brush roll, the crevice tool, the combination tool, the mini soft brush, the stubborn dirt brush, and lastly the wall mount. There are two different versions of the Dyson V11 available: the torque drive and the animal. The biggest difference between these two models is the V11 torque drive includes a more advanced digital display, which is capable of playing short maintenance videos, providing remaining cleaning time estimates, and easier switching between modes. Additionally, the torque drive model includes the mini dusting brush, while the animal does not. Motor, runtime, max suction, power modes, and dustbin are all the same between both the animal and the torque drive model. All Modern Castle vacuum reviews are tested on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. For each test, we measure the percentage of debris cleaned. Cleaning performance on the Dyson V11 for hardwood floors, low pile carpets, and high pile carpets was virtually flawless. The V11 removed an average of 99% of all debris we tested against, making it one of the best vacuums we've tested to date. The only notable issue with the V11 is that it has a tendency to fling rice and lighter debris while cleaning on hard surfaces. Nevertheless, cleaning performance was still between 99 and 100% on all of our cleaning tests. The Dyson V11 is extremely easy to use. For cleaning high up or hard to reach areas, the extension wand is great. This can be used for cleaning high trim molding, ceiling fans, or under furniture. To change cleaning modes, simply click the button on the top of the unit. The 3 modes are Eco for maximum runtime, Auto for intelligent suction, and Boost for maximum suction. Lastly, the 2-in-1 design and litany of tools and attachments are helpful for cleaning a variety of surfaces. Overall maneuverability on the V11 is great. It's lightweight, can turn at 90 degrees, and can lay nearly completely flat. Being cordless also provides significant mobility and convenience. Maintaining the V11 is straightforward. Simply empty the dustbin regularly, wash the filter each month, and replace the battery as needed. The filter is washable, which means less maintenance costs over the life of the vacuum. Simply wash in cold water and leave out to dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. So, should you buy the V11? The Dyson V11 vacuum is best if: Number 1, you want the convenience of a cordless vacuum. The V11 is easily one of the best cordless vacuums ever built. It has a 1-hour runtime, tons of tools and attachments, and create up to 185 air watts of suction power. It's both convenient and powerful. 2, you want an advanced digital screen. I have not seen a vacuum with a screen like this to date. Being able to monitor remaining cleaning time and easily adjust power modes is a really cool feature. And last, number 3, you want the best of the best. The V11 is one of the most expensive vacuums on the market, and for good reason. Dyson packs in a ton of features, accessories, convenience, and power. However, it comes at a cost. If you simply want the best cordless vacuum on the market, and arguably one of the best vacuums in general, it's hard to find a better choice than the V11. That said, if you're looking for something a bit less expensive, you should check out the Dyson V10, which offers many of the same features but at a much better price point. Well, guys, that is it for this review. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you didn't like this video, give us that thumbs down. But if you thought it was cool, we'd love your thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got lots more cool stuff over there. If you're interested in buying any of the products we featured, definitely check those out in the description below. We've got links down there. And as always, thank you so much for watching.